Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Hania from grade 7 and today I'll be giving you a short introduction to our schooling system. In our school, we don't only rely on books, we combine technology with hands-on learning. Each student has their own laptop with folders for robotics, AI, game development, English, mathematics, and also science. For example, in game development, we made a chess game where a character collects gems and the score increases. Later, we improved it with new background and characters. We also learned robotics. We started with simple circuit and moved to Arduino boards and sensors. Recently, we built a security project using ultrasonic sensor. When an object comes too close, an LED lights up and a buzzer makes sound. This is part of our obstacle avoidance robot, which detects obstacle and finds safe path. We also focus on regular subjects like science, English, math, and Nasra. After science, we do comprehension in notebooks. Then comes my favorite part, making cardboard models in teams. After that, we present our topic in front of camera, which builds our confidence and communication skills better. In English, we create booklets on topics we like. I made one about a journey to Palestine with references from Hadith and the Holy Quran. We also learn Arabic and calligraphy, the art of beautiful writing, creating decorative pieces that connect us to our culture. Another special thing about my school is that students wear what they are comfortable in, but we motivate our female students to wear modest clothing like abayas as a part of our religion. We also take educational field trips. Last time we visited NARC and learned how plants grow and even change color. Recently, our school held an Students' Expo where we sold products we made. I created plaster of Paris decoration pieces, which taught me about business, profit, and loss. Fitness is also important. We exercise daily with push-ups, pull-ups, and chin-ups. We also had a cooking activity where we made healthy plates. The girls won because many boys were cooking for the first time. It was a fun lesson in teamwork and creativity. So in our school, we learn technology, robotics, creativity, business, fitness, teamwork, and explore through field trips. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Jazakallah khair.